As the planned March 31 protests loom, tensions are escalating across Zimbabwe. The government has ramped up security measures, deploying anti-riot police units nationwide to prevent any demonstrations. Sanabna mashikobla negotiations ayokona ndi Mnangagwa regime yothreaten protesters panguva ino nekudeploya riot opposite rapi law enforcers nolibwa subscribe oleko on the beleko. Timna mnamu commissions. Reports indicates that some of these units were spotted along Sanyatwe streets and at the corner of Mazwe Street on Monday, signaling an increased readiness to suppress any unrest. The protest, instigated by war veteran-blessed bombshell Gaza, have raised alarm within the government. Gaza, along with his team, is calling for nationwide demonstrations in an effort to force President Mnangagwa to resign. The planned action is a response to growing dissatisfaction with the current regime as the country grapples with economic hardships and political repression. In response to these developments, the government has issued a stern warning. Information Publicity and Broadcasting Services Minister Jennifer Musweli emphasized that any form of civil disobedience will not be tolerated. Speaking to the national broadcaster, Musweli stated, "We will not tolerate lawlessness. The government is ready to maintain peace in the country." The deployment of anti-riot police units and the government's strong rhetoric suggests that authorities are preparing for significant unrest in the lead up to the protest. With the march for change gaining momentum, the regime's focus seems to be on preventing any disruption to their hold on power, further intensifying the political climate ahead of the planned demonstrations. The government panguva ino iri kutya wese nawo takunzwa nezvanana general anisine Sanyatwe aiwa vatakuona panguva ino vakureasainiwa vachiritaiwa the military. Tidze mafungiro eimotoni pamusoro pechitiko ichi kunyanya kumesection medu. Subscribe, like, share on the bell icon.